Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add or share Instagram Reels to your Facebook story. So let's get right into it. Now, let me preface this by saying if a Reel has or contains some Instagram specific elements, you most likely won't be able to share it to Facebook. For example, if it has polls or anything of the sort, usually the case is that you won't be able to add it to Facebook simply because they're not compatible. However, if it doesn't have any sort of specific elements, you probably will have it enabled. So yeah, what you can do, you can connect to of your accounts, your Instagram account and your Facebook account, and if they're connected, you can then go ahead and share to your Instagram story, and then from there you can share it to your Facebook story. The way you do this, you just swipe right and go into your story creating screen, click on the gear in the top right and click on story. And now if we scroll down, you can allow share your story to Facebook. And as you can see, something went wrong because I don't have any Facebook account connected to that account or to this account, but just turn that on. If you have your accounts connected, that will be quite enough. And once that's done, you can then go ahead and locate whichever reel you would like. For example, let's say this reel, go over into the share. You can share it to Facebook or add to your story. I'll just add it to story. And then you can make sure that you click here on the arrow on the bottom right, click on the sharing options. You can share it to Facebook, click continue. And as you can see, you need to connect your Facebook account in Account Center, and you can come back to Account Center anytime to change your sharing settings, but make sure that's enabled. And once you share your story, that'll be shared to your Facebook account as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.